Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add more columns to your team space view on ClickUp. So as you can see here, I have my task here and I have just a few columns here that I can play with, right? So as you can see here, I have 5 columns right here. And if I want to add more, just simply go ahead and click the plus towards the upper right hand side where it says the columns or add a column. Click there and you can choose whatever you want. You have a bunch of different columns to choose from. So let's say I want to add one that says video length. I can click that and you can see that it will add a video length and I can just simply add it by clicking it. And it's really up to me now to actually add a video length details there. So let's say I want to add 5, right? Because it's a video length in minutes. I can add 5 and just simple click. And so whenever the person who's going to do this task, they will know that this should be a 5-minute video. Next, I can add, for example, this one, it can be a 10-minute video. And so the person will know that. So if you are looking to add in new columns to your task, it's very important to add tasks, to add columns that are meaningful to your project. And if you want to give more, and if you would like to add more, just simply click the plus to the upper right and find those that you can actually use. That's going to give more clarity, more value to your task. And that's it, guys.